Namaskar. Myself Kamal K. Sharma. I am founder at SafeFirst. We are into mutual fund distribution since last 3.5 years. Friends, this is very important to use technology in money growing process. But then this is equally important to know and understand, are we using technology to reach our long-term goals, or we are misusing technology to cut short these goals for our immediate gains. This has been proven fact that mutual funds happen to be the best vehicle to help you reach your financial goals. There can be long-term goals, there can be short-term goals, there can be small goals, there can be big goals. For every goal of yours, there is a mutual fund available for you. If you look at your life journey, this passes through many milestones. And milestones are very, very individual to everyone. People with a lot of passion might be having 50 milestones, but then there might be another one who's having 30 milestones. But there are 3 milestones that are common for all. And these 3 milestones actually decide how successful your life journey has been, how good as a father you managed. And these 3 milestones happen to be children education, from schooling till highest level. Second, your son or daughter's wedding. And third, your retirement planning. How big has been your retirement fund for the period when you will hardly be earning anything, but expenses will be always on rise. So these 3 events are very, very important milestones of anyone's life. But if you look back at the start of these events, once you start planning for these events, you are very, very emotional, you are very, very sensitive. You use a lot of scientific approach to decide what is good for you, and then you look forward to auspicious occasions also to start planning for these goals. But then of late what's happening is, what we see as an industry is a lot of people start reviewing their plans after maybe 2 months, 3 months, 2 years, 3 years. This is not needed. This is a blunder that most of the people are making. See, once you started on a long journey, there is no point of looking back every 2 kilometers, every 3 kilometers. It's just like once you board a flight from New Delhi to New York, you know that flight might take around 12 to 15 hours. But even if there is a turbulence in weather, you do not have any option to change the flight. So has to be the commitment in your financial planning also. Once you take up a financial plan, and you decide that this money is going to be used for my children education, so you decide the number of years that you are going to be investing in that. If the child is 3 years, definitely you have got around 15 years to plan for the higher education cost. If daughter is, let's say, 3 years, you've got around 20 or 21 good years to plan the investment for marriage. If you are 25 years, maybe if you want to retire at the age of 50, you've got very good 25 years to plan for the retirement. So if you look at the market will have its own natural way of moving up and moving down. It should not disturb you. Yes, if you need to review your investments, you need to review once you reach closer to your time duration. But otherwise, my suggestion is that do not press the redeem button when there is a very, very rare emergency. I think once the redeem button is pressed, you hardly restart that, and then whole exercise that you conducted while starting your investment goes haywire. So it is good to start planning for your life goals. It is good to use technology. My suggestion is, do not use the technology for the reverse pattern. Use it for moving forward, use it for investing more, use it for switching the funds, but do not use it for your immediate gains. Have safe times, take good precautions, and whenever there comes a need of immediate money, look forward to other options, but not to redeem your investments. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.